Welcome to the DCS Virtual Physical Science course. This is a 2-semester course with 4 modules in each semester. In the first semester, you will learn about the classification of matter, atoms in the periodic table, electrons and chemical bonds, and chemical reactions and balancing equations. It is important to note that after the first semester, there is an exam that must be taken in order to complete the semester. In the second semester, you will be learning about nuclear chemistry in the universe, waves, energy and electricity, forces and Newton's laws of motion, and analyzing motion. On the course introduction page, you will see information on how to contact your teacher of reference. You will also see a course description, as well as any prerequisites that are necessary for you to take this class. There is also grading criteria listed for this course. For physical science, 30% of your grade will be made up with formative assessments. These assessments include lab notebook checks, CAMI assignments, and end-of-the-unit question or event assignments. 70% are made up of summative assessments. These include concept checks and module tests. There is a getting started video for you to watch as you navigate through this course. Course materials that are necessary for you to take this course, as well as a course pacing guide. You are to click on the link to make a copy of the course pacing guide. This guide will help you stay on track throughout the semester. It's very important that you follow this guide to ensure the success of your class. This pacing guide will be updated by your teacher of record and reflect when things will be due. Again, it is very important for you to note that there is a midterm at the end of the first semester that is worth 10% of your grade. You will also be able to find course policies on this page. It explains students with disabilities, academic honesty, as well as digital citizenship. The help page includes a Schoology guide for students. You can click on any one of these blue hyperlinks to help you with any Schoology related questions that you may run into while you work through this class. There is a tech support section, as well as an additional support section. In this additional support section, you will learn more information on Snap and Read, Co-Writer, as well as be able to access links such as the Columbus Metropolitan Library and InfoHio. In each one of the modules, you will notice that there are topics that are being covered. Within those modules, you will also see concept checks, as well as notebook submissions, and any CAMI assignment that you must turn in as well. Now, let's go through one of the modules in this course. Each module starts with a module introduction page. This page provides background information about the topics that will be covered within the module. It tells you what assignments are due, and even further tells you what topic page each assignment is located on. It allows you to make your own copy of the lab notebook. Please make sure once you make a copy of the lab notebook, you use the same lab notebook to write your responses for any of those assignments. Remember, your lab notebook will be checked by your teacher periodically to make sure that you're completing it and to see that you understand the material. Again, these notebook checks will count for 30% of your class grades. There is an essential question section as well as learning goals and objectives that you will have throughout the entire module. Each topic page has its own page within the module. You will see that there is a learning content statement and learning objectives underneath that statement. You will then see subsections that break the information down for you. You are expected to read the information on the page, watch any embedded videos that are on the page, as well as complete any assignments that are listed on that page. Throughout the module, you will see that you must submit portions of your lab notebook. There is a page for each time you are to submit these assignments. On the page, it tells you what slides you need to complete, that you need to select the slides and print them, choose Save as PDF, and submit the PDF file for credit on that page. Again, you can click here to make a copy of the lab notebook. If you have not already done so, do that and make sure that you use the same lab notebook throughout that module. You can scroll through each one of the pages on the Google slide to see what you will be responsible for turning in as you move through this mod. Remember, if you need help, please ask the teacher of record. You will need to complete all of the pages in the lab notebook for your grade. There are a few different lab notebook submission assignments throughout each one of your modules. At the end of each module, you will have an end of the module test. In that testing folder, there is a study guide that must be completed and submitted in order for you to review the answer key. After completing the 4 modules in the semester, you will be able to access the end of the course survey located here. Please let us know how you felt about this course. Thank you for watching this video. The staff at DCS Virtual hopes that you enjoy this experience.